The Selmi coating lines are conceived to coat and cool products coated and modelled by means of a special air blower located along the entire length of the cooling chamber. The working speed can vary from 30 to 200 centimeters per minute. On the same tunnel, in a clean and quick way, we can interface tempering machines with dark, milk or white chocolate. This system is very advantageous, given that the line can change the type of production in a matter of minutes. The machine under consideration is a ton 400. The maximum coating width is 200 millimeters. The hourly productions vary from 30 to 80 kilograms of coated product per hour, depending on the specific weight of the product to coat. The central console has the commands for the thermoregulation of the air injected into the tunnel, which should normally be between 5 and 12 degrees. And here on the right, the dedicated instrument that indicates the operating speed of the machine in centimeters per minute. At the head of the tunnel, there is a regulator for the speed of the coating trolley. This can and must be changed during production as a function of the length of the coated products. Normally, we suggest that the speed of the coating trolley should be about 10 to 15% faster than the cooling tunnel. On the coating trolley, we find the air blower, the mechanical vibration, and two special warming lamps, one for the night and the other for the day. The daylight is located in the most delicate production area, in other words, below the tail cutting roller and at the final phase of the mesh roller. This is to avoid hardening of the coating due to cold inductions from the tunnel belt. We move now to see a Ton 800, which maintains more or less the same characteristics of the Type 400. I will now open the insulated doors of the tunnel. As you can see, the circulation of cold air originates in the central unit, and then it splits in two branches, right branch and left branch. Beneath the influx, there are dedicated slots to recover the air blown into the tunnel body. This system substantially shortens the route time of the air, thus allowing a more frequent dehumidification treatment, improving the quality. This tunnel has a useful working width of 300 millimeters, and the hourly production can vary from 30 to 120 kilograms per hour, depending on the specific mass and the size of the product itself. The length covered by this type of tunnel cannot be less than 6 meters and can even reach 12 meters. It goes without saying that the longer the cooling chamber, the higher the hourly production rate and the quality of the resulting product. The machine is equipped with two special heaters, one for the day and one for the night, a mechanical draining system, and the pressure blower for the drainage by air, operated by means of an inverter. On machines of this size, we suggest that the decoration zone is at least 80 centimeters before the tunnel entrance. We should not forget that the personalization of the product during the cooling phase provides a sign of handicraftsmanship. All our tunnels are entirely constructed in AISI 304 and 316 steel and placed on wheels. As a result, even a line like this one of 11 meters can be easily moved to facilitate the cleaning and the practicality of use. The machine only requires an electric connection at 380 volts.